Hi everyone, welcome to a new video. This video is all about how to use Trello for game development. So if you're a game developer or you're aiming to become one, or in general you have so much interest in games and you want to develop something, this video is for you. Here we will see how we can manage different tasks and different steps that are included in the development of a game and how we can make this into a successful project. So for that, first you have to go to the browser and there you have to search for Trello, or you can find its link in the description below. Either you can go with the link in the description or the link that you have found from the result. Just simply click onto it and it will take you to the website of Trello. Once you get there, this will be the interface that you will see. Now it's time to open a board. If you already have a board related to games, then you can just simply go for it. Otherwise, you can just simply create a new from scratch. I already have one which I have named my dream game dashboard, and now I have just opened it. So this one is the interface of the board that I have created for game development. Likewise, whatever you have created, you will have its interface. So these four options are actually called list. I have created four up here. You may have more or less here. And under that, these options are called cards. These are as same as tasks that we have seen on other platforms. So under that, every list we have this option for add a card, and we can add multiple cards to it. The reason I have created four up here is that the one is a general one where I have added all the tasks, then I have to do, doing, and done. I can also add a new one with the help of this option. First I have to give it a name, and after that I have just simply click onto this option and then a new one will get added here. Here you can see I have multiple cards in my first backlog, and likewise if you want to create more you can create more. If you want to keep less you can also do that. So to create a new, we have this option which says add a card. Just simply click onto it and then give it a name. If it is a task, then simply write it here. It could be anything. It could be about publishing the game or maybe just submitting a draft. Once you have created, just simply press enter key and it will get pasted. And you can also see we have these colors up here. These colors are actually called labels. If you click onto it, you will see its description. Let's say you have 10 different cards. Three of them is related to marketing and three of them is related to operations. So you want to categorize them. So we use labels so that we could get to know that what these tasks are about. So to create different kind of labels, it is very easy and very simple. You have to go and click onto these three lines. And after that, you just have to simply scroll down and click onto this option labels. Later on, you can just simply create. You first have to simply click onto any one of these, and after that you just have to simply name it. It could be anything whatever you're looking for. Once you are done with it, just simply choose the color, and after that a new label will be created. And if you want to add a one, what you could do is that you have to click on pencil icon, and then you just have to simply click onto this option, and then you can choose any label of your choice. You can even add multiple labels to a single card. Or what else you can do is that you can just simply click onto it, its profile open, and from the right side you can choose the label. So on the left side I have this category which is the general task. If I want to do this task, I will move it here, which is to do one. And if I want to move this into the doing, because if I'm working onto it, then I will do that. And if this task is done, then I will put it into done. Likewise, if I want to work on these tasks, I will first add them into to do. And once I start working onto it, I will keep adding into the doing one. And once these tasks gets done one by one, then I will add these ones into the done. So by doing that, I will get to know which task is in which state, if it has to work on, if it's in to do, if it's working on to, and if it's completed. Other than that, you can also move your list. You can just simply move any one of these cards to your desired list, whatever options you have given to it. According to that, you can just simply move them and paste wherever you think is the right place for them. To customize a card, just simply click onto it and its options will open. Here you can just simply add different things. You can add a description, you can add a comment, you can add a label, and a lot of other things like checklist, attachments, links, and other stuff. Once you're done, you can just simply save it. So if you're a game developer or in general you're working on to the development of a game, then you can just simply manage all your work in this platform called Trello. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. In case if you have not subscribed the YouTube channel, then make sure to subscribe it for more informative videos and updates. And thank you so much for watching the video.